M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So we're just going to be checking out some of these USB volt and amp meters. So you can buy them, you can get really flash ones. I've just got a very budget one, was literally about under £5 that I'm testing here and just having a bit of fun with. But you can buy, you know, super duper ones. But the one I'm testing is just a budget one. The one I actually like the look of, which I haven't actually got, which is a reasonable price, is actually this one here. If it will select it. I like it because it tests the amp hours as well as the voltage and amps drawn. So watch the rest of the video. Let's do some testing on this voltmeter. So at the moment we've plugged the voltmeter into this adapter. So it's basically an extension lead going back to the laptop. So you can see what you do, you plug the USB in like so, into any USB port, 5 volt one. So we've nearly got 5 volts coming out, and then you can plug things in the side, and it's on both sides. So you can plug things, more than one thing in at a time. Now this, like I said, this unit was about £5. So at the moment it's powering this Raspberry Pi 3B. And it's working fine, as you can see. And it's drawing, you know, it changes, but it's drawing roughly 0.20 amps. And you can buy ones that are a lot more finer, and we can buy ones that measure the mAh as well, milliamp per hour. So let's try a few different things in here. Let's put 2 things in and see what happens. So we've got another Raspberry Pi here, because I'm a ham radio person. We've got another Raspberry Pi here, and this one actually has an OLED screen on it. So I'll try and keep my hand out of the shadow. Right, so let's move that over. Let's plug it in. Okay, so that's flashing away. Now it might not even have enough amps to power this as well as the other Raspberry Pi, because if you can look here, yeah, the other one looks like it's actually gone off, because the amps from a computer is not going to be enough to run both these items. But you can see how the draw has increased. Let's try something else. So we've got this radio here that I use. It's like an Android phone. Let's plug it in. Micro USB. Then we'll plug it in here. And the amp draw's gone up to 0.61. Let's unplug. Look, it's charging now, look. You see there, it's charging. Let's unplug this. Now it's just charging that. 0.38. Now we've got this LED lamp. This is going to draw quite a lot of amps. So you can see it's quite a nice LED light actually. And let's have a look at the draw. So look, it's 1.1, well, I say 1.14 amp draw, and it's to the point where it's even bringing down the voltage. So yeah, I think it's quite a fun little gadget for the sake of £5. It gives you an idea, and you can plug your mobile phones into this as well. So in summary, I think it's a fun little gadget. We can test things, we can test the voltage that's coming out of USB adapters and USB ports, and then we can test what amps it draws. And I think for a few pounds, if you use a lot of different electrical gadgets, it's well worth it. So 7.3, all the best.